welcome to LaTeX tutorials. So this is our third part. So in this tutorial I will explain how you can give a title to your report and how you can give the author information and how you can give the date of the document. So how you can make the title of the documents. So let's start. So for that I am going to create a new file. File name is author info. So click on create. So here is a file author info. Okay, so I will start document class and suppose font size is 12 point and article. Okay, I will begin the document. So begin document. Okay, fine. So now I will give the title to this document. So for that I will use, for giving the title I will use title, and here I will write the title. So title my report, and then I will give author information. So author, and here I will give the information of the author. For example, suppose author name is Pankaj Sareen, and then I will give information regarding date. So suppose date is 31st March 2023, and then I will use make title, and now click on recompile. So as you can see, the title of the report has been created. Let me, so see, the title of the report has been created. The name of the report is, title is my report, author name is Pankaj Sareen, and date is this one, and then you will use make title for making the title of the document. Now suppose if you want to give some more information regarding author, then what you will do, here I will use new line, and then suppose I will write the college of the author. So suppose Chandigarh College, and then I will write the designation assistant professor, suppose. Then I click on this recompile, and as you can see on the output, here is the title of the report, here is the author information, and here is the date of the report, and you must use this make title. And suppose if you have multiple author, then what you will do, just wait, and suppose if you have multiple authors, then you will write this, and you will write and, okay, and then you will write another author information. For example, Dr. Rahul Kumar, and suppose name of the college is Delhi College, and suppose designation is associate professor, and then click on recompile. Okay, see, now my report has two authors. First author information is this, and second author information is this one. Similarly, you can have multiple authors, and suppose third author is suppose third author is Mrs. Ria and name is Chandigarh College and designation is assistant professor. Click on recompile and see the now my report has 3 authors. So it's very easy. Okay, it's fine. So my report has 3 authors. So it's very easy. First of all, you need to create title, and then in author information you can use this, and then date, and then you will use make title. Similarly, you can have another information in the author, for example email, and then click on recompile. It's very easy. Similarly, you can have multiple information regarding multiple authors in your report. So it's very easy to create a report and create information regarding authors, and then you can download the PDF. So that's all for this part. In the next part, I will discuss how to create chapters and how to create sections, subsections in a report. Thank you for watching.